Hello and welcome to the OFAC and Sanction Checker demo. So what is OFAC and Sanction Checker? OFAC and Sanction Checker is a Salesforce-native solution that lets you run unlimited instant sanction checks on both individuals and entities, all without leaving Salesforce. It covers more than 209 countries and pulls data from over 280 global lists, including the OFAC, EU, UK, UN, Canadian lists, PEPs, and many others. In today's demo, I'll show you how easy it is to run sanction searches without ever leaving Salesforce. Whether you're screening individuals or entities, the process is instant, seamless, and designed to give you complete peace of mind while staying fully compliant. Now, we're jumping into the demo. So this app can be set up on any Salesforce standard.custom object, but I'm using the contact object for today's demo to show you the individual search. First, I'll show you an example where we don't find a hit. And this is a manual way of doing things where you click a button, sanction search. But if you want, the whole process can even be automated. Here you'll see the information about this person, which are the search parameters, like the name, the date of birth, as well as the nationality. The data sets you see here, we have only selected 36 out of the 280 that we support, but this list is fully configurable and you can choose out of the 280 the data sets you'd like to include as a part of the search. Similarly, you can also select a specific topic. Clicking on the search button will initiate the search. And as you can see, it shows you no sanction results were found. You also get a full audit log in Salesforce. If I go to the related section and the sanction search tab, you will find that we have a sanction search here, which shows you that there was no hit and the match result was cleared. Now I'm going to show you another example where we will potentially find a hit. So again, we do the same thing. We click on the sanction search button. And again, you will see the information about this person, the name, date of birth, and the nationality. Now I'm going to click on the search button to initiate the search. So as you can see, we have found two results here. So if I go to one of them, now we're on the sanction result object, and this is where you can see the sanction result name. So this is the name that exists on the sanction database. And what we do is we match this name with the name we provide and provide you with a matching score. So this matching score ranges between 0 to 1. 1 means the exact match, but we also perform a fuzzy name match in case you don't have the exact name, you'll still be able to find the results with the help of our fuzzy name matching. The other information you'll also see is the party name, so the multiple names, if they have used any other names in the past, any aliases, so you'll also find the aliases here. And if you scroll down, you'll see the information about this person. So the first name, last name, the gender, the title, date of birth, the nationality, the birthplace, the religion, position, the country, as well as the death date. You'll find some notes, the sanction data set, which will show you more information about the sanction and which data set this person was found on, as well as the topics which are related. On this record, if you notice, the match result shows as pending. So what it means that we have found a hit and now you can take an action. Based on your analysis, you can either mark it as a cleared or a positive match. Let's say we mark it as a cleared and we write our override comments here. We say that the address and date of birth did not match. Save this. And similarly, if we go to the sanction search, we have another sanction result here. And if you notice, this shows you that this is a hit and it's in the pending stage. Now I'm gonna clear the other one. So let's say we also clear this, save. And when we go back to the sanction search, you'll see that we found a hit and these were the two results, but the match result is now cleared since we cleared both the searches. and you'll be able to see the full audit log on this record. So now I'm going to show you an example for a business, and right now I'm in an account, but similarly, this functionality can be set up on any object, and here's a button which says sanction search. So here you will see the parameters that you can use for the search. So you have the company name, the registration number, and the jurisdiction. Similarly, you have the data sets and the topics like we saw in the individual search. Clicking on the search button will initiate the search. Now you'll have a sanction search. If we find a hit, when we go to this record, you'll find the similar data. The only difference you'll notice is in the information that is returned. So you'll have the address information for the business, the party names, which will also include any other names that this business might have, and you'll see the company details section here. So you have their jurisdiction, the status, registration number, incorporation date, contact information, the SWIFT and the LEI codes. Similarly, you'll have the notes, which will give you more information about the sanction. This is our sanction dashboard, which shows you all the information in a single view, like the number of searches you performed, the breakdown by company and the person, the ones where we find the hit, and the searches where there was no hit. And we even have a list where you can see all the results which are in the pending stage. So you could just go in and take an action on top of this.
Thanks for watching our demo. Follow us to learn more about our apps or contact us now at solutions@cloudwinning.com.